In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate with your team inside Lovable. First, go to lovable.dev and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the workspace and select the project you want to share with others. This will open both the project preview and the Lovable chat interface. To invite teammates, click on the Invite or Edit option at the top of the screen. From here, you have two ways to add collaborators. You can invite them directly by entering their email address, or you can generate a shareable link so they can join without you needing their email. If you're on the Pro version of Lovable, you'll also have access to more detailed permission controls. This allows you to decide whether someone can fully edit the project or only view it. After sending the invitation, you'll see their status marked as pending until they accept. You can also manage access at any time, for example, removing someone if they no longer need to collaborate. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can invite your team into your Lovable project and start building together in real time.